doing how to book a standing appointment. So to book a standing appointment, you can simply go to the appointment book, click the book standing button, type in a name, select the client, select the start date, the end date. It will automatically assume that you want to book an appointment for the next year, and then you'll select a start time. I'll choose 1 p.m. And then you select the interval, maybe every 6 weeks. You can also do months and days. And then from here, I select the worker that she would like to see. And I select the service she would like to get done. It can add additional services to that with multiple workers as needed. And then I just go ahead and click search. It will confirm that both of the workers are available. If for any reason they weren't, I have options. So if I click book all, it will just book all the appointments. Regardless of their status, if they're not available, it would still book it. And then I could choose to go to those conflicting appointments and make adjustments. Or I can click book available, which would only book the appointments in the available status. Or of course I can click cancel, but I'll go ahead and click book all. And then I have an option to send an email list to the client who is scheduling the standing appointment, and I can click yes and send, and it would send off that email, or I can choose to skip it. And now that appointment is booked, you'll be able to tell that it's a standing appointment because it will have this pound sign, or as some people say, hashtag, right there next to the appointment. Another way that you can book a standing appointment is simply by clicking on an appointment itself. So if, let's say, Sasha had an appointment today, I can go ahead and click book standing. It will assume that she wants to see that same worker and service, and then all I have to do is adjust the time and the weeks and go ahead and click search. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.